Morning all. In this video you are learning present perfect continuous tense. The last series of present tense, right? Present tense is classified into four. They are simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. These three tenses you have already studied. Now you are learning present perfect continuous tense. What is the rule? Yes, the rule of this tense is subject plus has or have plus being plus V1 plus ing form or present participle plus since or for. What about action? Yes, the action that began in the past and still now it continues. Still now the action is happening. It is not finished, it is not completed. In this purpose, for unfinished action, we have to use this present perfect continuous tense. Let me explain with the examples. Look at the board. For actions that began in past and still continues, unfinished actions. For this purpose, we have to use present perfect continuous tense. Look at this example. I have been studying since morning. You can understand here. I is the subject. Have is the auxiliary verb. Right. Then been, that is a bridge word that we have to use in this present perfect continuous tense. Always remember being. You have to remember. You have to use all the perfect continuous tense. Then studying, that is the main verb. Here B1 plus ing form or present participle. Present participle that you have to use here. I have been studying. Then for showing, indicating time, that exact time, that when was the action started, that you have to use here since. Since morning. Since morning. Here you can understand I have been studying since morning. The action started since morning. So here you have to understand here since and for we have to use in present perfect continuous tense, since we are using for giving the starting time, the exact time. For we are using for duration of time or time period. For that purpose we have to use for. So here I used since. You know that because since morning, the beginning of the time, the beginning of the action, that is morning, the exact time. Next, she has been dancing for 2 hours. She is the subject, that is singular, so that I have used has, auxiliary verb, then been. Always remember being you have to use between has and main verb. Auxiliary verb and main verb in present perfect continuous tense. Then dancing. B1 plus ing form, present participle. Then for 2 hours. Here I used for because 2 hours, that is duration of time. So in this time, in this case I should use for, not since. Understood? So she has been dancing for 2 hours. What about the action? Yes, the action was started and still now it is happening. So in this case I have to use this present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. The Optimus Public School has been giving online classes since June. Here, since June, the action started to happen. Still now, the action is happening. What is the action? the online classes. हो ना? The Optimus Public School has been, present continuous tense, has been giving is the V1 plus ing form, giving online classes since June. So here since is showing, giving you exact time, that started time, the month June, right? Next, Shyam has been living in London since 2017. Shyam is the singular subject, so I have to choose has auxiliary verb, then been, then living, V1 plus ing form, then in London. Shyam has been living in London since 2017. Since 2017, this action is happening, going on. Which action? Shyam has been living. That living action started to happen 2017 and still now it is going on. So for showing the exact time, year, I have to use since here. Next, they have been living in London for 2 years. There is the plural subject, so that I have to choose have auxiliary verb, then been, then living, V1 plus ing form as per the rule. Then London for. It is what? Duration of time, years. They have been living in London for 2 years. She has been studying since morning. Here in this sentence, what about the action? Yes, the action started to happen from the morning. And imagine, now it is noon or evening, and still now this action is happening. It is not finished. It is an unfinished action. So in this case, we must use present perfect continuous tense. Okay? And these all examples are positive present perfect continuous tense. Positive present perfect continuous tense. Okay? Negative sentence of present perfect continuous tense. I have not been dancing. See here, not. For making negative sentence, I used in between auxiliary verb have and the bridge word be. Always remember, not you have to use between auxiliary verb and be. He has not been studying. He has not been studying. He is the subject, has auxiliary verb, not. For making negative sentence, used between auxiliary verb and be. Interrogative sentence. Have I not been studying? Has she not been dancing? See here, for making negative interrogative sentence, always remember auxiliary verb that you have to use in the beginning of the sentence before the subjects. Have is the auxiliary verb, I is the subject, right? Then not. For making negative interrogative sentence, you have to use the word not between the subject and the bridge word be. Okay? Study. At last, you have to use question mark in the interrogative sentence. Has she not been dancing? Has is the auxiliary verb. She is the subject. Not, you have to use between subject and be. Dancing. At last, question mark. These are example for negative interrogative of present perfect continuous tense. Now, positive interrogative of present perfect continuous tense. Examples are: have I been studying? Has she been dancing? Have is the auxiliary verb used before the subject. Then been. studying. Has she been dancing? Has is the auxiliary verb, came before the subject. Has auxiliary verb, she is the subject, been bridge word, then dancing, V1 plus ing form or present participle form of the verb. So dear students, you have studied 4 kinds of present tense, right? I hope you understood all these tenses very well. In the next video, I will explain about past tense. Practice makes man perfect. So dear students, always practice. Practice yourself. Thank you.